We are back at Naruto Park Hills Hotel Ridge. I'll just say Hotel Ridge for now. Last time we stayed here at room 103. This is when we stayed, it was a 10-room hotel or boutique hotel or ryokan, however you want to call it. It's a hybrid. This time, since we stayed in 2022, they took two of the rooms at the very end and combined them into one. And they had two category of rooms called Yoso, which is a Western style room, and Waso, a Japanese style one. Although they were very similar, it was almost indistinguishable. But anyway, so Zeiso means luxury in Japanese. We weren't too smitten by the design of, so it has its own private entrance. I wasn't smitten by the design of either of the existing rooms, but it seems like they heard what I thought I told them, and combined two rooms into a 120 square meter, more of a modern style Japanese room. And this is Zeiso. It's double the size, but it's also a very modern, yet muted Japanese aesthetic. So let's go in and take a look. What I didn't like about the other rooms was that it was a little tight, but also they had a seating area like this, but it was just two small chairs without a table, but they had another one over here that was similar, and I'm like, what's the point? But also this area was much smaller. It was actually constraining, and again, it was half the size. But they've done some nice things. It's not overdone. It's very smart, modern Japanese. If you know Japanese architecture, you know there's a lot of wood because it's a country of wood. Most of their temples, you know, the traditional architecture, including kominka farmhouses and old houses, are all made of wood. So anyways, you can see it's really nicely done. And this room was, again, they combined two rooms into one. So Zeiso opened in May 2023, which is why we didn't stay here. There's only one of these guys. So it was May 2023, I think I just said that. So anyways, so if I turn around and see the rice paper sliding, interesting thing here is that if you walk over here, this flower, we thought it was plastic, but actually it is an actual mimosa flower. Really cool. And then down here, that's sink. Yeah, some marine material. The mini bar is actually somewhere else. So anyways, let me show you the rest of it over here. So I'm gonna start going right to left. So this is the wash basin and bath. A couple things. So this is in Naruto in Tokushima. And it's not the same Naruto or the character. In the pronunciation is actually different in Japanese from the comic and anime Naruto. It's known for it's on the Tokushima side, right across the bridge from Auberge Island, which is a major island in the Seto Inland Sea, near Kobe and Osaka. And Naruto is known for its whirlpools. Supposedly it has one of the three major whirlpools in the world. So there's a lot of tourists that come and check it out. there's also a famous museum, a modern art museum called Otsuka Museum, and it has a lot of visitors. So those are the two main attractions in this area. It's not the most convenient place to get to. There's no real airport to speak of. It's about an hour and change away from Kobe. And so let's go back to this room. Unfortunately, this place, none of the rooms here have onsen, the hot springs. These are just heated tap water. What's convenient is that it's heated in a constant temperature throughout the stay. So you can jump in and out anytime you want. This one is a jet bath. You push a button on the right and the bubbles will start coming out. A couple other things about Hotel Ridge. They have two resident restaurants. One is called California Table, and the other is called Bandiso. California Table is a California cuisine, French-style California cuisine, and Bandiso is the Japanese kaiseki restaurant. So you have so if you stay multiple nights, you can try different types of food. So let's go out and I will show you. Actually, did I come all the way here? I did not. So this is this sleeping area. You can see it's really smartly done and not overdone. It's subtle but of high craftsmanship quality. And then this is where you put your stuff. There's a place to hang and place your rollerboard. Down here is the silk, I don't know if it's silk, but pajamas, him and her. This is the yukata robe that you can wear throughout your stay. You also have a warm vest that you can wear. And then there's a vanity. So there's a second place for him and her, or him and him, or her, however you want to come. So there's enough space to kind of unpack and throw things around and not clutter the main living area, or to fight for space with your partner if you are here with someone. So we'll go outside. So originally when we stayed, there was 10 rooms. Now there are 9 because the 2 rooms became one here, Zeiso. And Zeiso, there's only one of these rooms. So if you want it, make sure you book early, or at least book on the, make sure the day you want it, they have room availability, because again, there's only one. So I'll zoom in a little bit. So below the bridge are the Naruto whirlpools. I don't know how well it can be seen or how the resolution is when zoomed in this much on my Pixel 9 XL. So that's Naruto. Let me try zooming in a little bit more. Okay. So yeah, very nice place to stay. So yeah, this is the deck of Hotel Ridge, Zeiso room. A little sitting area. So this is our second stay. Last time we had the French cuisine, but we did not have the Japanese. So this time we're going to try both, because we're here for 2 nights in the brand new, less than 3-year-old Zeiso room at Hotel Ridge in Naruto, Tokushima Prefecture on the island of Shikoku in Japan. Hope you enjoyed.